What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm Adil here with Milky Tech, and today we'll be unboxing and checking out the FIFINE 780A USB studio microphone kit. Thank you to FIFINE for sending this out to me. And if you guys use my code Milky Tech, you'll get 10% off. So let's get this done. Again, thank you to FIFINE Technology for sending this wonderful kit out. So let's take a look at it. No tape. That's nice. Opening this up. Hopefully we don't ruin everything. First, we have here a thank you note. We have their user guide, which is very intricate, looks like. Now we have Mac OS setup instructions, and on the back, Windows. Alright. So the first thing we have here is the pop filter. So it can screen out all those harsh P's and stuff. And here's everything in its glory. Alright, so let's start with the right. Here's the C-clamp, so you can attach it to a table. Here we have a foam wind guard, our USB cable, which seems to be very long, from a type A to a type B. This is the arm. Seems to be very nice quality, all metal construction. Kind of wish it was a little bit longer, but I guess it all depends on your desk size. Okay. Seems to be pretty decent. And here we have the shock mount. This is where you mount the microphone. And it's pretty nice. It's just a clamp. You don't have to screw anything in. It holds everything by pressure. And here's the microphone. The build quality seems to be very good. All metal, no plastic. I'm like squeezing on it pretty hard. It's not bending. I wish there was a decibel gain on this. At $80 for all of this, comparing to a, let's say, a Blue Yeti, I think the value is in this kit here. So let's set it up. So now that we have all the parts out, let's put it together and test it out. I will be comparing it my current mic setup, the Takstar shotgun mic. So we'll see which one sounds better, and we'll see if this will be my daily driver or if it will be a special occasion thing. All right, so first thing first, you want to mount your C-clamp to a desk. Now you can't really go more than 3 inches on a desk, so you're gonna have to have a thin desk or get another clamp. This desk is pretty thick, but it has cupboards in it. This should fit just fine over here. So we have that there. So this part here just slides in here, and you have a little screw here that will secure it onto here. Just drop it in and secure it in. Next, we want to screw in. This is a pretty nice thing that they've done. They've added an extra one of these, a double-sided kind of screw, where you can screw in to the arm and screw into the shock mount. It's nice to give an extra one just in case that piece gets stripped off. So, and now we just screw this on. Simple steps. And we just drop the mic in. And it is installed. Now to install the pop filter, you can really probably just put it onto the arm. Let's put the little wind muff on it. Last but not least, we'll plug in the USB. Alright, so this is how this mic sounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read a line from their website. And I'm going to read it on this mic, and I'm going to read it on the Takstar shotgun mic. The USB mic kit includes everything you need for an ultimate streaming setup. So now we're going to test out the Takstar SGC 598 and compare it to this guy over here in sound quality. The USB mic kit includes everything you need for an ultimate streaming setup. Okay, so now we're going to test how it sounds in the front. I'm going to rotate it to the right, and this is how it sounds on the right. I am now going to rotate it to the back. This is how it sounds from the back. Now I'm going to rotate to the left. This is how it sounds from the left. And now we're back 360 degrees to the front. Let's crunch a bag up to hear how crisp it sounds. Wow, this is definitely an audio upgrade. Compared to the Takstar unedited, this blows it out of the water. And yes, I meant to go slow saying that. This will probably be my daily driver. How to set up in our setup? We'll figure that out. But this is definitely a great upgrade. Thanks, FIFINE, for sending this out to me. Overall, I definitely recommend it, especially at $80. and a little bit less with my coupon code. I can definitely say get it if you need a budget-friendly microphone. The audio sounds great. It comes with all this extra gear where if you were to go with other setups, you'd have to buy that, and that's an extra cost. Overall, 2 thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so you get notified when I release my next video. Smash that like button. Put a comment below if you have a question, a suggestion, or if you want to say hello. If you guys end up getting the FIFINE K780A, let me know in the comments below how you liked it or if you disliked it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.